Hello everybody, welcome back to what's it called again? Hello everybody, welcome back with Kael Makes Everything with Kael. Today we are going to make chocolate brownies. And so what we're going to use is 3 cups of crushed up Oreos and one and a half cup of milk. And we just put it in with the crushed up Oreos with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we just mix this all together. Mix it till it's nice and mixed. And it should look something like this when it's done. And then you'll just put it in your pan, and then you'll put it in the oven. And then when you put it in, you'll put it in the oven for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to make whipped cream. But since everybody already knows how to make whipped cream, I'm still just going to show you how to make it. So you're going to use a cup of heavy whipping cream, and mine is sugarless, so I added some sugar. And you just mix it till it's nice and thick. So it's like this. And then you'll just set it in the fridge until that's done. The brownies are done. So now what I did is I heated up some whipped cream, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and I just heated that up till it's lukewarm or hot. And
But not boiling.
But not boiling, yeah. And we're gonna add a half cup of chocolate. Now we'll just mix it. So now I'm going to add the whipping cream on the brownie. Now I'm going to add the chocolate. And there you go. Brownies for 2 hours. You want to have it in the fridge. And there you go. And that's also just 5 ingredients with the brownies.